So I've been telling you off and on for the past few weeks that I've been making my videos 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Is that just because I don't have a life so I can spend 24/7 doing this? Or is it that I'm really efficient? I won't deny that those two qualities may play into it a little bit, but I'm doing this for a completely different reason. This video will be coming out on August 11th, and on the following Monday, August 14th, I will be having major surgery. The rock lifestyle has completely shredded my left knee, and right now it is bone on bone. I've been doing physical therapy since April of 2022, and I've been getting all sorts of injections in my knees and everything. As long as the weather is warm, I'm relatively good to go. But as soon as it starts getting cold, I hobble, and I hobble all the way through winter. So I really can't put this off any longer. I met with the surgeon in June, and after getting a whole bunch of x-rays taken, it was recommended that I get a total knee replacement. Now, I have taken every supplement under the sun. It's just doing nothing anymore. Now, I could post my x-rays, but let's just say it's not good. If I keep on going at this rate, I will be in a wheelchair in a couple winters. Now, I'm usually one of those guys that bounces right back from surgery. Even when I had COVID, all I had was a couple days of loopy head, and my wife said that I had congestion. I don't remember that, but I'll take her word for it. When I've had some other major surgeries, like I'll come out of general anesthesia, 5-10 minutes later, I am ready to go. So I'm hoping that this one goes good, but I do know that I'm not going to be recovering in just a few days, much less a few weeks. I mean, there's really no way of guesstimating how long I'll be out of commission. This is brutal surgery. Let's just say that saws are involved here. You know, parts of your knee get cut out and they get replaced by a titanium and plastic joint. Muscles and nerves get cut during the surgery. Now, I'll be required to get up and move around right away, but it's probably going to be at least a few weeks before I'm able to get back into my studio. The entire recovery process takes a year, sometimes longer, assuming everything goes okay. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if I lived and worked in a single level space. But our house is in the historic district of our town, and both our house and our garage are over 100 years old, and they are multi-level. The house has been updated as it went along, but the garage is still in old shape, so the stairways up to my studio is very narrow and it's very steep. So getting up here and going back downstairs again, that's going to be a major challenge for a while. That's why I'm working ahead of schedule, so that there'll be as little disruption of videos as possible. I'm hoping to have 4 weeks of videos done ahead of my schedule, and with any luck, I'll be able to resume after that with no interruption. I mean, I can only watch so much TV sitting in the recliner in the living room, so I am going to be itching to get back to the studio and getting to work, but I do have to go at it slow. So if you want to send some kind thoughts my way on the 14th, I'd appreciate it. I'll let you know when my last video is before I take a break. All right, now next Wednesday, it will be business as usual with another preset of the week. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.